Hi everyone, here we've got a Huawei P40 Lite 5G and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings and go to the very bottom of the list to choose system and updates. Here we've got language and input, so let's tap on it and click on language and region. And as you can see, here we've got English applied. In order to add new one, simply tap on add a language. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of languages from which we can choose. So let me pick something, for example, maybe this one. Now your device is asking if you want to change your current region. We can change it, for example, for this one. It doesn't really matter. And as you can see, the new language is immediately applied and the whole menu will be in chosen language. In order to get back to English, let's get back to the language. Tap on the English, hold it, and drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, the language is immediately changed. In order to remove the language, simply tap on this three dots icon, click on remove languages, and tap on the one you want to remove. Click on remove, click on OK, and as you can see here, we've got only English left. So that's all. This is how to change system language in your Huawei P40 Lite 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.